Welcome to Monte Bar. Rising above the region of Ticino, Monte Bar is one of the most beautiful panoramic mountains near Lugano, reaching an altitude of 1,816 meters. Known for its breathtaking views, peaceful trails, and rich alpine landscapes, it offers a perfect escape into Swiss nature. For centuries, these mountains have been part of local life, used by shepherds and farmers who brought their cattle here during the summer months. Even today, you can still feel the connection between nature and tradition as you walk through the green meadows and open pastures. The sound of cowbells in the distance creates the authentic atmosphere of the Swiss Alps. Monte Bar is especially loved by hikers because of its scenic routes and accessible paths. From the summit, visitors can enjoy incredible views over Lake Lugano, the surrounding valleys, and on clear days, even the distant snow-covered peaks of the Alps. Sunrise and sunset here are unforgettable, painting the sky with warm colors over the mountain ridges. The mountain is also home to diverse wildlife and alpine plants. In spring and summer, colorful wildflowers cover the slopes, while birds circle high above the cliffs. The fresh mountain air and silence make it a place of peace and relaxation, far away from the noise of the city below. One of the highlights of Monte Bar is the modern mountain hut near the summit, where visitors can rest, enjoy local food, and spend the night under the stars. It has become a favorite destination for adventurers and photographers looking to experience the beauty of Ticino from above. In winter, the landscape transforms into a quiet world of snow and mist, while in summer it becomes a paradise for hiking, trail running, and mountain biking. Every season reveals a different side of Monte Bar's beauty. Monte Bar is more than a mountain. It is a place where Swiss alpine tradition meets stunning natural scenery. Whether you come for the views, the trails, or simply to breathe the fresh mountain air, Monte Bar leaves every visitor with unforgettable memories and a deep sense of calm.